Hi, I'm Teresha Young, Relationship Master Coach, and welcome to your Making Moves Motivation. For today's motivation, I would like you to think about whether you are being your own judge. There are times in life when we have some real difficult decisions to make, and it can sometimes feel challenging to know what right action to take. Are we truly following our heart's desires? Always worry, confusion, fear, impulse, and even stress leading the way? Can we live with a decision on our conscience? Now, our conscience will often warn us before making an important decision, but it won't tell us what we ought to do. It's wisdom that will tell us how to act wisely. And when we can act wisely, we live life well. So we all know that we can make good decisions. We all have it within us to make good decisions and to act justly. Even in those situations where we may face judgment from other people, and it may leave us feeling unsettled and even causing some tension between us and another person. But know that we can handle all situations in a very controlled and graceful manner. We can always come from a place of love, understanding, compassion, and kindness. So I would like you to consider that perhaps there is no right or wrong. As long as you are leading with your heart and you are leading with your conscience and you are leading with your wisdom, then use that to direct you towards your happiness and satisfaction in life. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Are you making some decisions at the moment where you're a little unsure as to whether it is the right action or the wrong action to take? Can you now trust your heart, trust your wisdom, trust your conscience to make the decision that will drive your happiness? Perhaps you have even had times in the past when you really have had to be your own judge. And how has that worked out for you? Let's talk about this. Drop a comment below. I, again, am Teresha Young, your relationship master coach, and I'm here to help us to connect, evolve, and rise together so you can truly have the love, life, and relationships that you desire and deserve. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.